How to save URL in Google Chrome. Need to save a website link for later? Here's how to save URLs in Google Chrome. So go ahead and open up the page. So for example, I want to save the URL of this specific page. Now you'll find this star icon at the right side of the URL. So click on this and this will allow you to save this. So this will allow you to add this to your bookmark. So you can name this and then set the folder for it. Now, if you want to organize with folders, you can go ahead and press Ctrl Shift O to open Bookmark Manager, create folders like work, school, or shopping, and then drag bookmarks into them. Now, if you want to access this quickly, make sure to head over into your Chrome menu, More Tools, and select Create Shortcut. So this will allow you to find this specific bookmark URL at the bottom of the URL section. And that is how to save URL in Google Chrome.